Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful 2016 Scion IM. This is the Corolla hatchback for the new age, because just shortly after this, Scion was axed and then this car turned into a Toyota Corolla hatchback. So literally retained the same front grille and everything, just instead of that circle Scion, it was a circle Toyota, same emblem size. But great vehicle, one of the best out there, so reliable on the used car market. Coming powered with the Corolla engine, the 1.8, beautiful color here. You got this nice tricolor red pearl, and just absolutely gorgeous. Good tires all the way around, got Goodyear Eagles, and then four-wheel disc brakes, just unbelievable fuel economy. And it comes with power windows, locks, and mirrors. All the paint is in nice, clean condition, only two previous owners. Interior is smoke and pet free, so very clean interior. And then we got ice cold AC. Actually a white interior on black. Pretty cool. So it comes with the original owner's manual, like I said, ice cold AC, rear backup camera, touchscreen stereo, so you can go through that. And then Bluetooth connectivity, it's a Scion Pioneer. It comes with the auxiliary USB connectivity down there, automatic transmission, sport mode, and traction control. Also has illuminated vanity mirrors that you have to manually actuate the light switch there, but all working, all good. Rear backup camera. Power options include windows, locks, mirrors. Got those nice two-tone colored wheels, factory floor mats throughout. And then fold down armrest, dual cup holders, split folding rear seats, so those fold flat, and then give you extra cargo space there. Tinted windows all the way around. And then spare tire, tools, jack, all equipped, all underneath. Everything's there, and then we even get the privacy shade. So, privacy shade shelf there that closes with the trunk so you can't see in. The rear windshield wiper, shark fin antenna. These are really fun, rare cars, great cars. I mean, so reliable. Even comes with power folding side view mirrors. So with this little button here, it actuates the mirrors to come in. So a really cool feature there. And then 131,000 original miles. Just a tire pressure warning light, but I believe that is just a recalibration, so that should be going away. But cruise control, Bluetooth, voice command, leather wrap steering wheel, all in superb condition. I mean, the condition on the inside here is just unbelievable. Looks brand new everywhere, looks good inside and out. Got a nice clean windshield, crack and chip free, side impact airbags for safety, keyless entry for convenience. And look at that sporty car. You're gonna see darn near 40 miles to the gallon, and you'll never really see the repair shop once but to change the oil. This is the best car on the used car market. If you want something sporty, fun, and different, look no further than this beautiful 2016 Scion IM. You can find this one exclusively on our website at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our videos, because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.